echo falls upon sunken ears, a whisper forgone and forgotten. The memories of old have withered the soul, and the brain is rendered rotten. Forgiveness in the heart can set you free, and forgiveness in the mind can make you see. There are people on the outskirts of a drifting paradise, ever moving like the shifting of emotion through the ice. The sky, it sings a softly scented sweetness to your eyes to see the subtle possibilities and who you are to me. To fill your heart with kindness is a burden far too heavy, and to reassure one's troubles are words of which I use too many. To hear, you must want to hear the whole thing. To listen is to never hear it from within. I have tried communication through every avenue, yet I am scrutinized for my actions and the things I choose to do. If you're crumbling, don't leave me here, fragmenting your debris on this lonely frequency. You're gonna bury me. And my mind doesn't work just how it should. It overworks and overplays. It overthinks and it overhears. I'm the beast within the maze. But I do not lie to you, so I do not expect you to lie to me and then demand my respect. Intuition has taught me in my life to not let people in. Lock the door and throw away the key, they'll come at you again. The door is locked and the bars are thick, no one around here can see my cards. Held in such high regard, understand it isn't that hard.